So today we're going to put together a small safety video on how to connect a gas burner to a TF ultra gas bomb fitting gas cartridge. So the first things that you've got to do is you need to check your seals on the burner and also just make sure that everything looks okay on the gas cartridge as well. Make sure that your control knob is fully clockwise and in the off position. So if everything is okay, then in an upright position, you can insert the burner into the gas cartridge, turning in a clockwise direction. And once it's kind of tight, you just hand tighten it. It's very important that you don't over tighten it. Once we've got that connection, we need to check it for any leaks. So we use the Tradeflame gas leak detection spray. We give it a little bit of a squirt. So we just want to spray liberally around the fitting. And what we're doing is we're checking here for any bubbles. So if there's any bubbles and any leaks, and generally you can smell the gas anyway, so there's no bubbles and no leaks. So we're right to go. So now that we're confident that there's no leaks and we've checked it, we're now ready to ignite the torch. So to do that, you need to turn the flame control knob anti-clockwise about 1/4 of a turn and press the trigger to ignite the burner. For a constant flame, before releasing the trigger, move the lock button below the trigger to the right. That will allow you to have a constant flame. Now, to adjust the flame level, turn the flame control knob clockwise to decrease the flame and turn the flame control knob anti-clockwise to increase the flame. To extinguish, if the lock button is engaged, press the trigger to release the lock button and then release the trigger. Then we turn the flame control knob clockwise to the off position. Okay, so to disassemble the burner from the cartridge, after making sure that the tip has cooled, all you do is rotate in an anti-clockwise direction, removing the burner, replacing the cap to make sure it's clean for next time, and just remember, when storing, always make sure that the two items are disconnected.